Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to play the guitar on GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download GarageBand, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with finding all the instruments we can play, that we can record, and so on. So guys, there are two ways to play the guitar in GarageBand. The one way is if you do not have a guitar in real life and you cannot plug it in. That's how we are going to be using the guitar option right here. So as you can see, if you scroll left and right, you'll be able to find all the instruments, and one of the options is called guitar. So as you can see guys, after tapping on guitar, this is now going to open up this guitar mode where we can get started playing our music. As you can see right here, you can tap the notes, you can get started recording by clicking the button at the top of the screen, the big red circle. That's going to enable you to record and you can get started playing. But guys, if you have your own guitar and you want to plug it in into your phone, and if you have an AMP so that you can plug it in, this is the option that you want to find. By scrolling, you have the AMP where you can plug in the guitar and play through classic amps and stomp boxes. So open this up and then you can go ahead, plug in your guitar and get started playing, and it's easy as that. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.